What is up, guys? Let's go. That bell just rang. We are coming into the market today, and that SPY is sitting right on $442. This is a pretty big support, and we are hitting off of it right as we speak here at market open. So I'm very curious to see if this support holds or if we're going to end up tanking back down. And I have a feeling that this looks like it's going to hold, but we'll have to see how the price action goes. Obviously, the best way to go is going to be adaptable. If the SPY breaks down under 442, well, then maybe look at puts on SPY, look at a few puts on Apple, Microsoft, maybe even Tesla. Tesla's been having a lot of issues getting back above 240, so that would be pretty big, while SPY's at their resistance. Maybe if they both see rejection, we'll see some good drops down. I think that could be in the cards, but let's see what happens here at the support. Remember, 442 even is going to be the level that I am eyeing up. So if anyone sees a breakdown below there, throw it down in the chat. Let's go, though. Good morning, Vincent, Jamie, Rick, Manny, Xbox, Ant, and Muhammad. Let's go. Vincent was the first one today. Hell yeah. He said yesterday was hard. Let's get it. Yeah, you know, yesterday was a little bit difficult. It was a day where the market was just very choppy. I feel like it could be like that for a couple of days, so let's keep eyeing that up over the next few days here in the market. Penn Gaming is running up right to $24. Hopefully we can break above there. We have Boeing out here rejecting as well at 228 and 227. I want to see that SPY get some better movement. Come on, SPY. Let's show us some big runners here. Hey, aloha. Neo earnings disappointment. Oh, boy. Yeah, they are. $9.75. That is brutal out of Neo here. Terrible move this morning. Falling down quite a bit. I wonder how Lucid and Rivian and the others are looking. Kind of bad with Lucid. Rivian looks... I'll just say not the best, not the worst. About Tesla. Uh-oh. Tessie, what are you doing? Bad drops. Xbox said they were sick all weekend. Whoa. Were you, Xbox? Dang. You were here yesterday, weren't you? Oh, Xbox is loading. Yeah, Neo, though, that's a pretty bad drop on their earnings, isn't it? NIO. Man. Oh, I could have sworn you were here yesterday, Xbox. Are you sure? That has me messed up. Mixter says, morning, peeps. Hey, good morning, Mixter. Thanks for joining up. Let's go. Meta says it has disrupted a massive disinformation campaign linked to Chinese law enforcement. Dang, that's crazy. Medicare price negotiations. Eliquis. Oh my god, not Eliquis. Oh, his big pharma donors are going to be giving him money to put their drugs on the Medicare price list or whatever the hell it is. Damn, Xbox. I could have sworn. Okay. Huh. I could have sworn you was. I guess that's how it be sometimes. You're here so often, though. I probably have so much memories, you know. I could probably talk myself into you being here when you're not. That has me messed up. I really swore, but... yeah. Huh. It is what it is. I don't really care, Xbox. Not a... VFS dumping down. Big so far today. Let's see. VFS. BFS. I hope you're doing better, though, Xbox. Hope you're feeling better. Hopefully you weren't too sick. Yeah, VFS, though. I'll tell you what, VFS got sick today. It contracted the virus or something. Falling back off, and I feel like VFS is going to start to slow down soon. Like, it has to, right? Down big today, Mixter said. Yeah, I think it's going to be down even bigger, to be honest with you. Watch that $70 support. Watch $60 under there as well. Whoa, Vincent said they killed it with BBB or BBY calls. Best Buy. Up to 76.50. I'm surprised they're even doing good, Vincent. I would have thought you needed a bigger move. Hey, Easy, what's up? What is up? Let's have a great day, Easy. Good morning, good morning. You guys see anything special out there, of course, throw it out. Ah, my book map. My book map. Xbox. You're misconstruing things, Xbox. God damn it. Making me feel bad now. 135 resistance here on Amazon. Watch that coming into play today. That made me feel bad. Made a little scalp on AMD. There you go. AMD. Let's see. Nice. I guess you scalped it up then. Xbox is smashing the like. Appreciate you, Xbox. And hell yeah, if anybody else is out there, smash that like as well. Let's see if we can get that like button up there. Get those likes going. I'll tell you what, I've been kind of sick the past few days too. I don't know about you, Xbox, but where I've lived, it's been like 100 degrees. And now the past 2 days, it went down to 70. So we were at 100 and now 70. It's like, oh. Just a cold for Xbox. That's good. Yeah, it's been so damn weird with the weather changing around here. 1450 support on Palantir. I've been watching this stock a lot the past couple weeks. They've been having a lot of problems breaking $15 again. And it looks like we are starting to turn back over right there. So definitely not looking good. Xbox said just a cold, beautiful. That is good. It's always scary out there whenever I hear that members are in trouble. There's been a few members out there who've had a lot of issues, so prayers to everybody out there. Hopefully everything goes well. Let's go look at AMD again. Gotta check that. AMD popping up to 103.50 just about. Falling back over though. What is going on with these stocks the past couple days? It's just so much consolidation and not really any good movement coming into the market at all. I'm gonna reopen Thinkorswim here real quick. Might as well, right? Got to see those momentum plays. Let's go see what SM Bot's throwing out there, though. Probably not even going yet. Oh, cool. Just started. NVIDIA puts are on SM Bot, guys. Whoa. That's pretty good. Hopefully we can get under the low of day for Nvidia here. I bought this funny thing. It's called Grammarly. If you guys ever heard of it, it's like it fixes your words when you type them wrong and tells you when you have bad grammar and all that type of stuff. I'll tell you what, this thing says I have bad grammar on every single thing I type. Every single thing has something wrong with it. If you guys got this, you'd be so surprised. PDD, they're probably going up. Yep. They are up. Not surprised one bit by this one. That China stock news was amazing. I don't know if you guys were able to catch last night's video or not, but wow, the China stocks had some of the best news I've seen in a long time, if not even ever. It might be like the best news I've ever seen out of a China stocks. It's pretty insane how crazy it is. Like, essentially what China's doing here, it's pretty crazy. They're actually lowering taxes and etc. on stock trading by like 50%. That is an insane thing to hear that they're doing that. Really insane. Whoa, CNN, what's this? Starbucks pumpkin spice latte is back. Sean, did this start? Oh, wow, it returned Thursday, I think, right? Yeah. Oh, no. Well, I thought that was they meant last Thursday. Maybe they updated it to... It says they updated it yesterday. I don't know. Have you guys gotten any of this yet this year? Let me know. Pumpkin spice. I don't know. I'm not even a fan of it, guys, to be honest. I think it's kind of gross. Ugh, I don't know. They're up nearly 1%. S-Bucks. Let's go see. Nice. Nice. That's doing pretty good today. They've been heating up the past couple days, actually. I don't know if it's the pumpkin spice or what it is making the stock heat up, but looking good. Mixer says Yumbo. Wumbo? What are you talking about? Only the OGs know what Wumbo is. Me Wumbo. You Wumbo. Wumbo? Sean should know Wumbo. I'll tell you what they need to make is another one of those funny presidential videos. I've been really enjoying watching these presidential videos lately. It'll show like I don't know if you guys have ever seen this crap or not, but here I'll show one real quick just to show you guys like kind of what it's like.
You need to find the true king. Hey Donald.
I know you guys have seen this somewhere before, right?
You ready for tonight?
Yes, Joe, I know you're excited, but you gotta calm down. This is the 5th time you've called me just in the past hour.
I know, Donald. I'm just so excited. It took a lot of convincing from my mom to let me come over. Ben is still mad about it.
I don't understand why you have to go to Donald's house this time. You should be grateful to remain here under my household, safe and loyal, just like a dog.
I don't like living with you. All you do is bully me.
Watch your mouth, little boy. Just because you won't be here tonight doesn't mean I won't make your life hell when you get back.
Is that Ben? Tell him he's an asshole.
Donald says hi.
This stuff is so funny, guys. Like, I don't know if you guys have ever seen this stuff where they have like the presidents doing like an AI voice acting thing or something. It is hilarious if you guys have not seen that stuff. My God, the way like the way that they have Donald Trump on there is just so funny. The crap he says. And they're all funny. Joe, Obama, Trump on there. They just, these guys have the jokes going out the wazoo. He, she, Wumbo. Does Xbox know Wumbo? Google Burger King Yumbo. One of their worst products of all time. Let's see. Burger King. If this is a real product. Oh. It looks like just a really, really, really bad Subway sandwich. Okay, so it was a hot ham and cheese was the whole thing behind it. Hot ham and cheese. I'll tell you what, when I see a picture of that, that looks disgusting. It looks like those crappy sandwiches that you buy at like Walmart. You know what I mean? I think that's what it is. It's like a crappy sandwich they would make at Walmart. With cheese. Yeah, that sounds disgusting. You know what, though? I could do some Arby's hot ham and cheese. Hell yeah. Arby's has some good ones, I'm not gonna lie. That ham and Swiss or whatever, that's pretty good. Or ham and cheddar. Or roast beef and cheddar is even better, but... I know Arby's makes pretty good hot ham and cheese. Theirs is a lot better. Yeah, I couldn't imagine that from BK. A lot of you older guys in here are lucky. I'll tell you what. Whenever I had to go to school and we were in high school, I had to have the Michelle Obama lunch plan, and that was disgusting. Oh my God. Everything was bad. The hot ham and cheese, the spaghetti, the... Ugh. I'm not even sure the fruit was real. Roast beef and cheddar. I might have to get that for lunch. Easy says Pizza Friday. Did they do that at your school, Easy? Pizza Fridays? We didn't get anything like that. Actually, whenever I went to school, they had vending machines, and the vending machines sold like Diet Coke, Coke Zero, Mountain Dew, Mellow Yellow, and crap like that. They actually took it away. They literally took away the vending machines while we were there because they said it wasn't right. And then they also, so they had this thing where they would have, I got to make sure I explain this in the right way here without getting myself in trouble. So they had, now it's not my fault. So they had like special needs students working at like the school stores and stuff. And the special needs students would sell like candy and all that type of stuff. And it would like fund their field trips and all these different things. They had to quit selling candy and stuff because of the Michelle Obama thing. They like literally had to stop selling and doing and running their store and all that stuff. It was really, really weird, but I just figured I'd mention it because it was, we got into the food and I was like, I always loved buying candy from that store. It was so good. They knew me there. They would just grab my stuff. SQ calls. Let's see. Cardboard with cheese. Exactly. SQ moving up to 5660. Beautiful. Yeah, Square's having a good day, Vincent. I'm liking this one for calls. I'm actually liking the SPY for calls right now, too. It's holding above 444 very, very well. We're now having a clear break above the trend. I mean, there we go. There we go. Clear break of the trend now. Pretty clear break. Yeah, it's pretty big, though. We've been kind of trending and channeling down below here for a little while now, and we are now starting to break back out to the upside in a big way. It's the bot play. Shit, Vincent. Dang, Vincent, that's a premium play. You're not supposed to say those out loud. It's all good, though. It's all good. Sometimes that happens. We get it. We get it. Don't worry. It's no problem. It's just try not to say that again in the future if you can. They had Mountain Dew vending machines at my school. I remember drinking Mountain Dew before football practice. Hell yeah. I used to drink Mountain Dew all the time, but at my school, they only had sugar-free Mountain Dew, which whenever you make Mountain Dew sugar-free, it ain't really Mountain Dew anymore. But no problem, Vincent. It's not a problem. I'm just saying it so hopefully nobody else does it too. Spy, though, holding 442, about to break 444 as we speak. We're sitting there right now. Sitting right on there. Yeah, Xbox, I wish I could, like, go back to your school from 2007 just to see what it would have been like. Because mine was insane, I'll be honest, with, like, all the smartphones and all the crap going on. God, it was crazy. It's classified info. I like that. Wow, they had all of them for you, Xbox? Were those always... And they were all, like, the regular ones, right? Yeah, AMD's bouncing off 100 in a big way here coming up. AMD holding 100 and moving back. It's pretty insane. How's Oxy? Shit. I was looking for an Oxy move. That sucks. Well, hey, that's good. At least it was regular. They had diet in there too. But diet's worse. You know what they always say. I'm curious now, how Square? Not bad. DraftKings coming back a little bit for us. That would be nice if Penn and Lucid could go up. Penn Entertainment. Man, I'm praying for ESPN or Bet ESPN to do well for these guys. I want to find, like, when does ESPN Bet actually come out? The House of Mouse, they're calling Disney on here. Interesting articles, though. That's a pretty good move, though, with Spy. Like, look at what we have going on here all at the same time. We have a lower or a higher low combined with breaking out of the trend line, it's like, oh boy. We have all this going on at the same time while stocks are starting to pop back. Apple, Microsoft, etc. are recovering up. Wow. Crazy today. Gotta see that watch list here. LI is up 5.55%, following NEO probably. Or I guess maybe they're up. Well, I shouldn't say following. Maybe they're like moving up because they're competitors to NEO. Jolt's job openings are coming out in a minute. Somebody posted in Discord. This Sammy posted in Discord. They think that this news is going to bring down the market. Will NEO go up in your opinion? Yeah, Manny, it is the Jolts. Will NEO go up in my opinion? Let's see. Yeah, I think in the longer term they will. Short term though, I don't know. That's going to be risky. I see supports down here like around $9 and $9.20. So maybe you could like buy something around there. That could be pretty good. Yep, it's the Jolts coming out. I'm curious how they do. I don't think it's going to move the market, though. Sammy in the discussion chat put that he thought it could do like a similar move to the Jackson Hole event. And I was like, I'm in my head, I'm like, I doubt it. But it could have a move like that. I really highly doubt it. Will NEO go up? Probably not in the short term. That was pretty brutal today. If you're holding shares, though, I think just buying and holding shares is okay. This music today is pretty fire. I've been liking these 100 Thieves soundtracks. They've been nice. The hype tracks, hell yeah. All right, Boeing. Nice move today. What about DAL, AAL? Pretty good. I'll tell you guys what's really crazy is my baby girl is like kicking a lot now in the womb, man. Kicking all over the place. You just put your like hand there or something. It's just like, she's like, bah, bah, bah. Maybe she'll be like Ronda Rousey or something. Kind of cool. Is that even like, is that even her real name? You know, I hate it. People, they just change their names all the time. Maybe I should change my name. Wow, maybe she does have a real name. I would have sworn her name was fake, but... Yeah, that's her birth name. Nice, okay. I could have sworn that one was a fake one. Look at that SPY, guys, continuing to hold above the trend. This was a clear break of this trend line. Okay, these trend lines lately have not been lying. So keep your eyes on the SPY. Keep your eyes on the bigger tech stocks out there for some calls, for some scalps to the upside. We've been waiting for this trend to break, and it is starting to finally happen. So here we go. Getting some nice pops back up. Watch 446, 448, and then 450 to 452 overhead there. 452 would be nice. So let's go. Let's see the jolts. My God. How many times do I have to send you the link to the stream? When I'm streaming, it's so hard to answer you. I have Meta puts 280 expiring Friday. What would you guys do with this? Meta 280 puts expiring this Friday. Let me know. I'm curious. Would you guys roll it over to next week or would you sell it? That's my question. Yeah, positive news. I didn't see the jolts yet, but all right, so the jolts came in negative. It looks like that's, or came in less. That should be good, right? Means that that should be pretty good news. I don't know, Manny. I don't know what you mean. It's going up. I don't know. What did what drop? SM bot's going nuts. Yeah, it is. Yes, it is. So many calls on here right now. Tesla calls too. Tesla's been beautiful today as it broke 240. Perfect break. Breaking 240, 450 as well. Yeah, the jolts news seems pretty good. Whoa, look at this. This might be even more important than the jolts. Look at that news that just came out. Regulators unveil plans to force regional banks to raise debt in case of failure. Wow. Dang, wow. All American banks with at least $100 billion in assets here. Oh yeah, Manny, we already looked at the jolts. We got it right here. Thank you, though. We got it on Trading Economics. Came out at 8.827 million, less than expected. Looking good for SPY, but I think even better than that news is this regional bank news. Screw that news with the with the jolts. This sounds a lot more important. Regulators unveil plans to force regional banks to raise debt. What do you guys feel about that? Does that make you happy or not? Whatever name I pick should be fine. We have it all picked out. It's Christina is her name. Xbox. Christina with a K. My girlfriend made me do the K. Fine. Well, I told her we'll live with the K, I guess. Ooh, Tesla's running right into the trend line here. Wow. Why is everybody hyping up these jolts numbers so much? I feel like the market doesn't give a crap about the jolts, to be honest with you. For real. Like, the market gives two flying craps about the JOLTS numbers. In my opinion. I think that they're just going up because of the trend line breaking. People are just blaming that on the JOLTS. It's been going up all morning. Even before the JOLTS came out, it's been ripping. Been a lot of momentum all morning today. I'm wondering if this banking news is more important than people think too. QQQ looking good. More dollars than brain cells, yeah. Go down here. Let's read some of this. Makes them hold a layer of long-term debt that would absorb losses in the event of a government seizure, according to a joint notice from the Treasury. Interesting. Raised levels of long-term debt held by banks, removing a loophole that allows mid-sized banks to avoid the recognition of declines in bond holdings. Wow. So there was a weird loophole, apparently. Did not know that. It removes a loophole that allows mid-sized banks to avoid the recognition of declines in bond holdings and forcing banks to come up with more robust living wills or resolution plans that will take effect in the event of a failure. Wow. That is pretty important, guys. Banking is so important for the U.S. economy. This is shitty, though. We honestly need unemployment to go up. Like, we don't... That's the thing. Like, people don't understand this. Like, we want job vacancies, you know? That's what the Fed wants. They want vacancies. This is not... This is scary. This is going to be more inflation upticking now. Watch out at that next CPI reading. Where is the next CPI reading? Let's see. Next CPI is September 13th. Pretty big. What's the book map for AMD? Let's see. Literally, no one ever mentions the JOLTS report ever. And then now everyone's like, JOLTS! Whatever the media pushes, right? Is what people listen to. 104.50 though to the upside here with AMD. If the media says that's why we're going up, that's why, you know. 105 though overhead. That's pretty big. AMD. What a great day with momentum. 3 positive trades now. Let's go. Yeah, the SM bot's been fire today. These plays on there have been amazing, and I'll tell you what, the SPY breaking the trend has been a key all morning. All morning, guys. All morning. That's nice moves, though. Good stuff. Watch SPY as it runs up. We're running up to like 446. Pretty big resistance coming up here. Watch Citigroup. Watch these banks. I wonder how they're going to do. I'm kind of curious how they're going to move here, especially considering that banking news that came out. Let's go eye up NVIDIA, those big tech stocks here. NVIDIA, Meta. Come on, Meta, you gonna move it all? NVIDIA's moving. We've been having a lot of good moves lately out of a lot of these stocks. Remember, guys, September starts this Friday as well. Don't forget about September. Man, Tesla breaking out above 245.50 now. Damn, looking good. Let's go back to AMD on here. 105 overhead. Oh yeah, there's a lot of levels on AMD, but 105, of course, is going to be the bigger one. Dang. This is pretty good, guys. I mean, a lot of movement. Appreciate you guys joining up today as well. If anyone wants access to the book map, check out the link down below. I'm going to post one up here in just a second. You guys will get a discount for book map if you check out our link. It's a pretty cool program. Badass, though. Let's go. Come on, Boeing. Oh, it's falling down now. No, not the rejection from Boeing. No. TBTF. Let's see that. What's up, Ponzi? I'm so confused. Oh my gosh. Best Buy's up. BBY. Yes, they're fired. IWM calls fired, Sean said. What? Really? APLS? Apellis Pharmaceuticals? Alright, APLS is not my favorite here. What's my opinion on it? You know, I don't really have a good one. This is a crazy pharmaceutical stock. It's died off very hard. Personally, this is a very hard stock for me. I don't know. I'm not a fan of APLS personally. What are you talking about, Ponzi? I don't even know what you mean. What is TBTF? That's not even a stock, is it? I don't even see that as a stock. I'm confused. I am so confused with your statement, Ponzi. I have no idea what you mean. Sugar Bear Janet. Who the hell is that? I like it, though. I like the name. It sounds pretty cool. I've never heard of that. I'm probably old. It's probably some young thing. God, I'm only 25, and the amount of things that, like, go on that I don't understand is just like, what the... Yeah, exactly. I'm showing my age. Shit. That's funny. I'm gonna be out here Googling Sugar Bear Janet's in the house later. See, you guys would make fun of me, I swear. QQQ looking good. 370 to the upside. Looking good. Imagine how I feel. I bet you Sean's out here like, what? Well, Ponzi, to be fair, nobody probably knew what you meant by Janet. The only thing I thought of was Janet Yellen, but I don't know what the hell TBTF and BTFD, like what the hell are those? Yes, you weren't trading in 07. Well, I know Janet Yellen. I don't know your weird letters that you're typing. TBTF? Like, what is that? That sounds like something like a 13-year-old kid would say. That's what I thought. I thought you were like saying you were 13 or something. Well, I know I'm correct about that. I was around for Janet. I was around for good old Janet too. I wasn't trading, but I was around at her ending stages, we'll say. Like 2013, 14, 15. Too big to fall. Oh. BTFD. Man. You're making me feel old, Ponzi, I'll tell you. With your TBTFs and BTFDs. You're showing your age now. What's going on? Hey, Sammy, what's up? Big trading day. Nice. Yeah, Sammy, I think I saw you had some pretty cool plays out there, didn't you? Nice stuff. Thought I saw some good plays from you. The GFC, man. Poor Sean. He's like, I'm 42. I'm lost all the time. At least Mohammed's with me. SQQQ. What? Yeah, it's looking rough here for SQQQ, man. It's going to be a tough one for the next couple weeks, I think. But just give it until September. You know, September's whenever we might start to see that market pop down a little bit more, I think. So we should see it. I know you're the older one, but you're you're acting like the younger one. That's funny. Where is Mike? Mike doesn't do these streams, Mohammed. He's too busy. Mike's a very busy man. What are you looking into? What levels and supports are you looking at? Let's see. You know, I've been eyeing up a lot of these moves of the upside, Sammy, but honestly, intraday, now they're getting so high. It's like, whoa. There's been some great breakouts today, though. Amazing breakouts. I've been hoping that these banks can start to come up a little bit more. I was watching AMD a lot off of 100. Maybe if they break their high of day, that could be a fun one. I know there's been a lot of consolidation here, so if we break like 104.40, maybe watch for a run up here on AMD. They've been bouncing off 100. I would think maybe 107 to 108 short term could be pretty good. Exactly, Sean. Keeping those bots well oiled. That's a good way to say it. Yep. Keeping the bots oiled, you know, and people have questions. People are emailing him with a bunch of crap that you guys probably couldn't even imagine a lot of times. It's appreciate you guys. Appreciate all you guys. Ponzi, Muhammad, Sammy, Sean, Under, Just Watch, which is the one, I think. Vincent. Appreciate everybody. Manny, Jamie, Rick, Xbox, Mixter, Easy Rider, Sean. Don't think I forgot anybody now. Evan, There we go. Appreciate all you guys, though. Yeah, exactly. That's the problem. You know, AMD's still looking hot, though. I'll give it that. AMD looks pretty good, but a lot of these stocks are just a little too high on the day for me now. For the most part, though, it's looking fairly good today, right? I think it's looking pretty good. PDD in and out. Nice. $693 profit in 15 minutes. Beautiful, Under. Beautiful. Good job. Nice trade. Good call out. That is perfect. Wow. $96. That's a big level for PDD considering where we were yesterday. Stock was down at 80. What the hell? PDD 88 calls, $1.2 million, August 18th. Hey, Mohammed, I appreciate you on that. Thank you. I wish you guys the best, too. All you guys. Thanks for joining up and giving us the support. Made this Taco Tuesday pretty nice out here, actually. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I'll tell you what, guys. I can't wait to get a house and all that type of stuff going on. That's going to be fun. You know, of course, like I'm trying to get into that type of situation, right? Looking around at trying to find some good properties, etc., etc. Working out those payments, and the rates right now are so bad. My God. But for the most part, trying to get out there, get a nice streaming room set up. I'll tell you guys what, once I get a streaming room, you'll see more of you'll see more of like my face. You'll see a lot of stuff when I get that room set up. You guys will like it. Pretty fun. Speaking of that, I'm also going to stream some games over the next couple days too, if anyone wants to check that out. I know it's not anything like the market, so, you know, don't feel obligated or anything like that. But if anybody out there does like video games at all, I'm going to stream over the next couple days, try to test some stuff out, try to get it going. I'm going to throw the link down in the chat if anyone wants to check it out later. BTC's going crazy. Let's see, BTC USD. Whoa, ho, ho. Whoa. What is going on, Bitcoin? $26,200 all the way up to $26,900 in just a second. Dang, that's wild looking. BTC, good call out, Cleo. What is going on with that? Mara and Riot are following along. Mara's up 9%. Jeez. NVDA. Sheesh. I have 14x long 30 minutes ago. We'll see what happens. Only put $400 into it though. Nice, Cleo. It looks like ETH. Let's see. Ethereum, of course. Wow, Ethereum's up a lot too. 2%. Bitcoin's actually up higher percentage-wise. That's weird. Interesting. Blue Horseshoe says SOXS 1050. Who is Blue Horseshoe? Yeah, whoever said this, I gotta say that today I'm disagreeing with them, but we'll see. Maybe Blue Horseshoe will be right. I don't know why. Today's a pretty good day for semiconductors. AMD's bouncing at a big support of $100. I think a short-term uptrend could be in order here. This could even be the dip before like another big rip's going on, so we got to keep that in mind too. Yeah, everybody's looking for consolidation now. I kind of am too with how high things are intraday, but some of these stocks that haven't moved, like Meta, they still have some room. Like maybe above 291, you could get a run. Coinbase up 10%. Let's see. Whoa, nice. Oh my gosh, is right. 12% now. It's still going. Holy Coinbase. %. Oh my gosh. SPY still looking fairly good too. Remember that trend broke today. I know I've said it 80 times already, but don't forget about that trend breaking. It's huge for us right here. 446 resistance coming up. Huge levels here on the SPY. And like I said, I appreciate you guys joining up today. Mohammed, Cleo, Just Watch, Under, Sean, Sammy, Muhammad, Ponzi. Sean, both Seans. Mixter, Xbox, of course. Vincent, Ponzi, Cleo, Purdy. Square's going crazy again. Let's see. Square, 57.35. If you guys have any last minute stocks you want me to watch, throw them out there. Bravo said he thinks it's end of the month buying. It might be. And we've just had such a big downtrend too. Like, I could see a few stocks coming up a little bit, especially stocks like Square off their lows and other ones like this one. Boy, Lucid, Bravo bought more. Nice. Nice stuff, Lucid. Let's go. Market goes against the odds sometimes. Yes, it does. Sometimes it does. You know, that's a big thing in the stock market. I always like seeing the polls because a lot of, you know, we'll say, What do you guys think? Do you think the market will go down this week? And a lot of times, if everybody votes down, then in my head, I'm like, uh-oh, we're going up. Look at that big gap on the SPY. What the hell just happened right there? Hang on. What the? All right. That's only on... that gap is only on TradingView. Thinkorswim does not have this gap on it, by the way. Just an FYI. Also, TradingViews does not move as good as Thinkorswim's, but... What a day. This movement now is getting insane. Holy crap. Damn, guys. These 1 minute charts are just getting wild out there. It's almost time for puts on these things. I think we're going to have to eye up some puts here, but... What a morning. What moves here. Great recoveries. I was looking more for a breakdown at open, but hey, I'm glad that that's trend line broke and we started moving up. That's good. We'll take it. It sucks for SQQQ, though, but we'll see how it goes. Appreciate everybody out there today, too. Hope you guys have great days. Getting into September, the worst month in the market. So let's see how it does. We might go up for a couple days this week, and then I have a feeling Friday... Oof. Yeah, who knows? It might be a pretty good week until Friday rolls around, but... Let's go, guys. Let's have a great day. I appreciate you guys watching. Here comes the smoke. The bear's fixing to steal some picnic baskets. I like that. Here comes Smokey the bear. That's pretty good. I'm gonna hide my honey, man. Yeah, that's what I'm kind of saying, Bravo. That's what I'm saying. I'm kind of with you on that. What a move. Let's go, though. Have a great rest of your Tuesday. It's Taco Tuesday. Someone out there better get some tacos going. Let's go. Let's have a great day. Watch the SM bot. It's been on fire today if you haven't yet. Amazing to follow. Thank you all so much for joining up. You make this community exactly what it is. Thanks for always supporting us on this channel and on the main channel. If you're not yet subscribed on this channel, it is separate, so make sure you get that subscription, or, smash that subscribe button. It'll really help us out, but have a great day, guys. I appreciate you. Let's go.